Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming access and tools. Make sure your Databricks cluster is running and JDBC/ODG is enabled. This gives Excel a connection endpoint. Next, obtain an Azure AD token or create a Databricks personal access token for authentication so Excel can access data programmatically. Finally, open Excel and verify Power Query, get and transform is available, or install the Databricks ODG driver. Once done, you're ready to initiate a connection from Excel to Databricks directly. Now create the live connection. In Excel, choose Data, Get Data, then from ODG or from other sources and pick ODG/JDBC option. Alternatively, use from web with the Databricks REST SQL endpoint. Provide the DSN or JDBC URL and use your token as the password for secure authentication. This authorizes queries. Once connected, browse schemas and tables, load a preview, and use Power Query to filter, pivot, or transform rows. Make sure to set load options to table or connection only depending on needs. Finish by loading the transformed query to a sheet or the data model and configure refresh frequency in query properties so Excel keeps data current. Save credentials in Windows Credential Manager or Excel connection settings and remember tokens expire. Rotate them when needed to avoid failures. If you encounter errors, first confirm the Databricks cluster is running and reachable, then verify network/firewall rules, correct JDBC/ODG settings, and that the token has the right scopes. Addressing these usually resolves connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.